anaso oboni chidomno or fear ha no pay any train and komo. And Ibrahim Ali is a member of the NDC communication team. You'll be joining us. And Asasi Jima is also a member of the MPP communication team. We're looking at issues making headlines and those that will help this nation. Dr. Mensa, Achio
Omanhene mejo so
now to say
me ho den papa
always refusing to grow. But it's you pay.
You Omanhene dasi. Me de omo a eti sompa dwumedi anopa nyina hye nyame twedu amponsa.
Amen.
Na biu nso me sa kai nyame sa kai mo se obi ankoso mompa ye mo oman Ghana because aka na kakra bi na ye beto aba.
That's right.
Oh my Dr. Mensa heba kana ki bepi wo dwumedi so anopa de na eye nkae ne kase kakra bi na ye pese ye manko 40 ase na fi ye koyanim. Dr. Mensa dwumedi yalesa untimi nko kan ba bia da se Dr. Mensa dwumedi ye ball boda bi ye sa yale ahodo bibiri yale a ehe nipa edi nipa nya ebi wo no mo ana ba bia pese edi nipa ne kopie no ani nyan yale akese na Abantu ye bi kan asem bibre bi o se Dr. Mensa ye wo nipa bi a yati wo mudin anche e no mo yira ye kora wo system but yati wudin ache so still ada so wo system na mse hwe okọ ye kuro mu a kuro bi ketua bi hye ho no maame bi ye twa ba ho no bra na ye susu a na ye ku school na maame no ye twa ba no e bi da so wo ho besi ne na ade ye papa bia no ente ngu basa o ade ye papa bia ente hwe Ghana fo eni je Benz ho pa eni Toyota car dada na ye Toyota nka enkofo de je ho da ho besi ne Toyota Benz adintra because ye papa ade bia o papa preku me se oba akora na be makora o wale a papa preku
Echiwani akotete.
Wati ase.
Ase wo hu fufuru.
Ase de wo hu fufuru ndi ase de o ni sise sambi na de. Oho. Bibidro, o pe bibidro na wayo ma ho atowa. Emom haban ye wo ho no de ebia onidwumadi a yedi na the combination ya de hia pa. Wo anya obi a wo nimudie wo mu a obetimi de aduro bia ma obato ho nto. Oyale na oyale na betra oso sa sebe prostitute na hawa ebetna so saa segrako na hawa be hawa saa obi won so anase be hemorrhoid na ha no yale a di no ho mensem owi ase ene yale na dɔɔso ye kase ebubodin adaje bebo yen enne nso na nura dɔɔso so yale na saa dɔɔso ebunkam fa so wa mpe obi a wa ben no onimdi a yale ne betna so ache ntimunti na mo hye ne nso Dr. Mensa heba kne kayen hyehyɛ wa pomuden ho a se kase ye deda ka ho asem adaje bebo yen enso da bia me kasa asem kuro ya se nyame do a wo menipa no ebi wo no ma na wa yale ya che na wasun agu nyame so abɔ mpa ye urade bo am yo me yale na me ho nto me na nyame mpa ye na duru na so so opese oboa wa o ma wutie o man hena nopa na fe Dr. Mensa be kasa fem wo se hwe wo hunu papa we kono ho okɔ ho a ho beto se wa anya so den na ye sutie no wa mu nua ngu wasum na oba Dr. Mensa ho se pe se yale ni betuo se be memu hunu bi uda ne ko wonya wo fa ahode ano no asa gudie enti ema yale bi nyejewa nka wo nhyema obi mmɔ wason nka se na me de bibidurofo de na me de bibidurofo de nyame adaro manimudi a ode ma no wo cheche ne se de ese Dr. Mensa de a ode ma ye yale sa a ye de bibiduro na esa enti unya ye number ntempa na wo se ofa na nsan kura de wo sa de ba ko abeka me ho wo mo asasa edi wo machi obi wo no ma obobra enyeyi opempempem ana wasa besi nachi sika ka ne nsa na hye ono aduane aye nto wo chese bibi obeye bia enyeyi sankofo we mu no wuhia se udware sasaduro eno da na American wo hene ne program so se Christopher bebre wadwenchi aye se udware sasaduro a waye mfomoso enya mfomoso da habaya nyame boma aye no ebi wo ho aye numu ebi wo nso ye de wasa ebi wo nso a ye dwale udwale a onye mfomoso bibia wo na chiwade a wo de kana etimi ye mmere enti nkofo ano ma sebe nkoye mistake utimi dwale sasedre na nso a obefa ho adi oba na ba ma wo ye bibia enye yi bebre na akora de wo wale ana na yere no wawu wale na yere wu ablante ba ko doctor man na afa me so mu nyina me wale wo mu ano mo wu eye fie na sa de ni firi e na bi nso ana obi nso ano abodua e de etia wo eye no ma bebrebe so wa anwale sasedura ebedi wachi na ebedi wunya saa ma na o ma obi kura timi de na ho koka wo ba bi na oba na ode na ho kaka na adwaman ho homate abedura no he akwala ni medi kura no nete ano ope na afro no che wa yesa yi no enti no saa no ma we no no e wo ho a edi nipanya dise o dwale saseduru but so obi ammoa wa wuntimi enti wo partner bi wo na se wo obi apeso obo na ma onwale saseduru ni bi ebia na wuntimi ma doctor mensa so ye baby a wo bia doctor me pese mi dwale wo saseduru ni bi na menye dai wo boliga kora mpo a ye de aduro ni bi bebre wo ho a ye delivery free utua wado ne ka wo send wo sika ba no ase ye de bre wo ye de bebre wo ni a kire ne kwan bio mo a mo bie mo no mo a nka free mu ba obi wo no mo kasa na no mu bon pa enu mu kankan so ye yale fon maka ho asem saa senkan wo no mo a wo yem enti ye wadura ye de be ma mo wi su no 14 days ya onti saa kankan no bio wafa ho adi a no wo ko anim eno so ye delivery saa ba bia wo bia e betimi de abrel enti wo bia halitosis yale ha ono wo de ye Dr. Mensa Herbal Clinic na se wo be frɛ ye ne de edu na brel so wo abruchiri so wo hen ba bia de be brel nyame kye wo ye fono de na wo ba na fe de wadane ya ne suban ma o ye drugs wanomo ama wo pro o ya se ya eno so Dr. Mensa betimi aboa wo ye de aduro ne mawa na ya kire na kwan se we de ye de frɛ duane ma omudi odi ya na fe aduro no be ye no ho adwuma ma wo te saa de den ka afi obonse na ne bokora afono no eno na ye de aboa edom bebre kan hu se obi ba na wo num no bone na wagyae na sem nyina na suma sem nyina ya Dr. Mensa Herbal Clinic na won kan kire wo enti obi a wo ba pro wo dane sadwe am wo num no bone afi de ba bi a waduro na no hye me se so wan hwe Dr. Mensa Herbal Clinic e chiri kwan a wo ba na wo ye wo dehye daache no afi de woni daaso nyina e beyira enti nyame adom so nimude ne akwan a nyame fa so kyeche me nipa ne yenso ye de nyame de amaye no no enu nti ye de number ne tu dwa na ba bi a wo bi entempa na wo so ofre na wo bi sase Dr. Mensa na henfa na mo ne a kire o se ye chiri kwa de wo kotwi no betimi afaka o sofolai ana se pampa so ana ji runabout kageti inside nso benya kai e wo hono na waka se me kokotwi na mesi wo Dr. Mensa hono mo emom kofijobu ye kwan nti wo tumi signboard no tue o tu no nyamfo so opi enti uduru ho a bodin se obesi wo Guinness depo ho usi ya semesra me ko Dr. Mensa hono na ne signboard na 20 no mo nkyere me kwan wo mbeka se ne clinic no enegu hono no wo ba ye beto ye boase e de adura kan na won so ho abao okwa enkene pumpuni mantamu ayo ewura Canada Japan abrosan akese a ewo Medina Zongo Junction no Oman FM abrosan na se pe na Dr. Mensa Herbal Clinic ye wo a edi adwuma mi amadanfo akompre ko ba bi obi amechia na no pei enu nti enye hwe han nya no mumu ntena ho no monka se mihu yanka na se ya wie enti se wo ya hwe han ya no mumu na se de ye kan asem fa ho ye kan bibia nka otwoko ba wasem no eyawere hosem Dr. Mensa Herbal Clinic ayen hihye nyina wie de wose ye de fo apomden nyina ya wie enti wo de ye number so won sabeka unya ye number na wa frɛ na ya boa wo enim bia na pese wo sapo ye no ne number ma edi nkan de atodwa wo betimi aye voice message 10 seconds bi na de ato na yatie ni aboa wo number edi kan 0244 92 12 69 0244 92 12 69 and afi 027 11 73 551 027 11 73 551 the chat was 0532 928095
okay
0532
0532
92
92
80 95
95.
Omanhene mnante hena wonya na baby call. Waka asem bi say you are a wonderful doctor.
Wonderful.
Broni fita na wonya yalewuo. Ena nka wo wu abrochiri na yere se da bi yenko Ghana na ye doctor bi ono de o the plants en haba na o de yenru. Yenko no betimi aboa wo ba 3 weeks ena wonya na yalesa. Ohwe anim din was oh you are a wonderful doctor. Ena o de ene aye doctor wonder. A obi aye ka bi no. Se wotena ho yenhwe ha na yale eku a me de be ka ne pi se wa hwe ya odura amusie ya mochen bebo pa dintra mochen bebo se wa so odene unti afutuo obi a omu abibiduro bi anso won fele nyame o nyame se mu ni dua na ba no na ha ne de mo mfa nsa yale wo se da bi de nyame wo kan nya no kore wo yale a wo wuo na wada ho a na wawu mesre mo ma mo mfa no ma ni agro na bibiduro se wonya obi a wo ya ade wo ho no wo so wo ma ho odura ho be to kwan bia so tie bia ho be ba enti wo mai koko epensu dudo so dua ne po ni enye yi. That's right. Dr. Mensa wie obi enyame pese oboa na ginu bia no ordinary be no kochi bra me free so me ko hodum da se me be sai ehie bi. Okay, all right, yeah, charge my dear so Kofi. Yes sir. Me mo akwaba me joso bibia now what to say na me adom bibia boko ya do ba de ase empempi ya na money openino enkran na mugu dodo na enyante se obedi na otwemienu adwada oba krom hanomo nti yemhwe ne ma ba komienu bi na oye ne political aid nti wo de na je se ensuo no wodem medical busa aprobo no ekosai o nyame adom aprobo no edikan menchia one Sompa atiefo ne ahwefo nyina. That's right. Sompa de se mabeye tintimman o Asante mantam. That's right. Se yadwuma ye nyambre mpo ne ahwe TV. Nti media me ko Facebook na me ko video section wa. That's right. Na me ko ana TikToker. Se nyo Omanhene a ne ohene ni. That's right, ohene. Hona ajame so me de me relaxing time me di tie de ekoso wi ase. Okay. Na Sompa my yenso yenije. I mean, to be honest, you know, when you are relaxing and you need quality media content, na jawatu afa Sompa. That's right. Na wa hwebi. So far bibia boko ye sha probonase no na ye ko mantem no. Na ye call mu kropon ti wi mantem dunsia no ansa na ye hye eye mpesua ahoro no so ase nse 276 constituencies. That's right, including South. Sisi a me no kase me ha many 200 constituencies there. Mowie yetimi aye. Oh. Aka oti 3 constituencies. Aka 3 constituencies were Greater Accra. Aka 4 constituencies were Eastern region. The New Jabin. Okay. North and South. And Sana Afran Plains. Miunune Ohono. And about Northern region, so aka about 3 or so. Tamale Central, Tolon, and one other one. I escape me. Okay. And about Northeast, so aka Saboba. Adana e call Chiripon and ye ko Saboba no so yantam bi toya ntimi anto aso ti aka Saboba. And then Ira Mahmoud Baumia abetwemu Asante mantam ha okọ ahafo bono de wie bono ene bono east ti ahafo no ti say ahafo ti ne obeye ahafo miensa na nyame ya adomo akina aye miensa eka ho no za ahafo mu yensia na ye de ahafo so abana wie nyame ya adomo a memene da ye Upper West chairman ofiri mu be se boso miensa ni nyame ya adomo akina na ye be na yi ewo wa no actually Friday Saturday be ye no wa kwasiada Ira Mahmoud Baumia be wo Asante mantem one mabunu be dinkita ho sonko kra
ɛyɛ nyame yɛ adom akwasi ada na ne dwoada ɛyɛ the 4th no yɛde Ashanti mantam mu deɛ no ahyɛ from the 4th to the 18th.
Yes, we did have na otwimienu.
Wow. So okay ka number akoma na ansa na obɛhyɛ aseɛ no mpo aka ho a na say about 2.5 weeks asɛm na yɛ. Enti ɛkyerɛw somo a Ashanti mantam ɛsom yɛmbo because region bi ani hɔ a yakɔmu a yakyɛ saa usually in 10 times because I does ti etimi yɛ we ni wi a 6 yi a na bɛka 47 a yɛ bɛyɛ wɔ ha no.
Okay.
Na sa kakra na me ka kyerɛw ti over 200 dey
matima
clear every one. I was about 210 constituencies.
And you intend to finish all the 275?
Intend to finish all the 276. And sana you are your other strategic campaign na ebesa ye. And sana eye nyame ya adomo December bosome no so etimi aba. Enti adwuma da yanim. Papa no nanu a okọ oti regional buy no. Ne benada ye etwam ye. Greater Accra visited 6 markets in a single day. 6 major markets.
The energy is something else.
It's on a different level. Maybe having working with him, no. You say, "Well, papa we are lazy. You can't work with him."
So we are quite for.
They say maybe you call Nancy about 2-3 weeks. You 2 quite a juma. You bedroom crying. About say 12 a.m. Me drew fear crab 12:31. By 6 a.m. Now you fly back Kumasi. By 6:45 we were in Kumasi. You drive 5 hours to Yeji. So I done you finish Pro East, Pro West, and Kintampo North. That
5 hours to Yeji.
Yes. You drive Koko ye campaign we Kintampo North. Na abobe say 10:45 or so. And Sunny drive bar Kumasi. Sunny sad fly call and cry. You drew cry. Na almost 2:33 a.m. Minya me by no past 7:30 I me drew papa ni feel. I'm so ready me kona me boss or a sticker. Me drew no I the first meeting kreja. Was sorry I in the first meeting. Query.
Meeting no so be 1 hour.
Well, we every time I do if any time I'm there 3 hours, I may say drive over 45 minutes to be drew. It tells you so no droof, you know, or die and maybe at 2.5 hours. Was sorry you meeting.
She's always on the run.
And minia. And Sunday baby yasamus. Oh yeah, about 5 major activities as a vice president. Enra was a vice president day. Enra near mommy and Semi Sia. I see a train I drink also. 1. You launch their friend Go Ride application. Basically, Go Ride application ni to say Uber yenim, Yango yenim, Boat yenim. But when you know your ride hailing companies are foreigners there. And then you Mahmoud Baumia and ne Ghana Ankran Juma 4 aka bomua. Ghana so set it up on one ride hailing app a friend Go Ride.
Etina say ope card yakoba bia o download Go Ride na.
Yes.
Ghana there.
Ghana there. And yet Omanhene there.
Ghana. But Ghana nipa num be private venture.
Yes.
Okay.
The reason why they say you need GPRTU and need the various Ghanaian transport associations, they felt say na other ride hailing companies push them out. So they also needed competition. And now buying no aboa ya create our competition no ama omo a.
To call Play Store Go
Ride what download do. And did you say my woman say Uber ne Yango ne a boat or moji 20% no. We need budget 10%.
Okay.
We budget 10%. So you can do the same thing. Tisankaye nyina ye gia tum say.
Yeah, for go right now.
Ride hailing, or you can run 2 ride hailing apps at the same time. To say may they go ride. Now yeah, Jimmy 10%. The adwuma obey bia no 10% pen a wo tuama company no. Instead of 20. Yes, that is the alternative.
Remember, Sikana cow mining.
Aka sikano so aka o man. Eno ya de ba ko eno aye. Eno a de toso mi nu aye. Ye nuanom anyentofo a omo wo Ghana ha no. Enne so opese utie no nwumo a. Chi so ko Apple, Spotify.
And then the
Boom Play ne sa ne ma na.
Yeah.
Ana ye nuanom si da bi. Omo so pe omo streaming app.
Just say yeah, nyumtofo wo Ghana no. Omo streaming app.
Yes.
And it say okotie nwum no wo ha. Spotify ntene de near the data no sika de akoba ni nyina ba.
We Ghana based obetimi de momo.
Me kai said now no oni omuhia no o ka kire o mo say obe launch ama o mo.
Enra o launch ma o mo. Nti we no obetimi de momo atua. On said the other platforms no just so use credit card.
Ti ama bebre nya interested. We go only credit card. Ba momo de obi a obi.
No ti ye nuanom anyontofo no nyame adom ya creative platform dis omo som na omo ka omo hu bom.
Na we wan so mo asem mo jejireje.
Omo promote na abonyo. Omo promote. What is going to happen is ye nyina ya be sign here because Omanhene say me sign up on the app. Na menya Ghana nyum nyina na metua e bia 20 cedis a month. And na metua 30 cedis a month. I would rather sign up for 30 cedis a month or 20 cedis a month.
Yeah.
Just to support a Ghanaian business. And to the young musicians in the crowd, I want targeted 2 million subscribers.
Every day on the call.
Every day be a bosumi be a wutia 20 cedis. Into 2 million subscribers every day and every month be a wutia 20 cedis to you. Oh, the oil mass now be.
And look at the Nigerian musicians.
So, when you are there and right,
you know, Dr. Bamunian Lanchi way the man.
Edema musicians.
Inti
me no nyame adom.
And I drop a phone or more person come bom so no so.
Yeah, launch almost.
Go ride am.
Na de etoso mi ensa niji sempa. Me free say nipa bebre. Enough for them to vote for Ira Mahmoud Bawumia. And also launching the e-health platform.
E-health
platform. The tiane say Omanhene wa fidie so megidi say mo wa pomodin dwudi wo so. Enipa bebre no be ebe ya adwene ni ebe di adanse so say oman mu ade ba ko ha ye ne pe say me ko hospital say Swami district hospital na me kwa. We could draw say minji folder. Ti ubetua bibi kakra na ya twe folder ni ya trotro ya depend ya trotro information nyina agu so na ya take card bi ama say china wo ba eno na wo ba ya de be kwa kohwehwe folder na ya den ama enti ko hu doctor na ya di folder ne be ma ana nurse ne be kwa akoto doctor na nim doctor na bi mu de ne how say wa trotro wo how nyina agu dro bi o de be ma wa record ni nyina gu folder ni enti se nyame ya adom afe ana abosumi se utipaye ne sa ba
na
okwa now the card number nurse no
mo ko you folder
na ya kohwehwe ya di duster ko pro no ho a kohwehwe se ebe hu folder na de dodo na no folder na ye hu enti ye
ma ye nya o health history.
And obia or medical doctor and now your health professional be catch say I research no. Your medical history is very, very important.
Very crucial.
Because a told bi wo a dro bi wo a na ni kwanse e de ma allergies bi wo na wo ade bi a say wo doctor no or be saw yare a wo hu ne 10
and anya da bia na same doctor na wa
akoto
ti da bi wo be kono oba na wo ana be ma na penia na different doctor. But who history
even
na
a different hospital.
Yes. But the moment they have your history they can identify
as quickly as possible.
That's true.
enti be se afimienu ni na yewura Mahmood Baumia edi scene ani so say sa ohawe ye be yi afi ho ti company bi a ye friend a light wave na aban de dwumadi ni share omonsa se omonko Ghana finance nyina district hospitals polyclinics regional hospitals na omon register obia na omon fa obia record enu abefo fidie so enti mini aseme no kasei the last 2 years aban no etimi aye sa adwuma no ama ye the polyclinics health centers district hospitals and sana regional hospitals ye de omu nyina gu afidie ne so enti nei se mi kofitonto ametie yi me ho dodo me na me koso ame district hospital me kwa ye beje me Ghana card na ayarehwe bia ye de bema me no ye de record ni nyina gu system no so enti se bosome ana afeme sa kwa
ana so kopia yaresa bia fofra cause bia watu kwan no akoyare
se me okumase adwuma de me konkran adwuma de me ko ho adwuma de me ko bogatanga me kodura na me ti no ana me ho sa dodo me biwa eno ane se me dru ho hospital ana Boga hospital ana na Vrongo hospital na me de me Ghana card ne be ma wo mo na o ma bo me Ghana card number no omo boy ya o be hu se Kofitonto 3 months ago uko Swami hospital ana Central hospital ana uko Komfo Anochi na uko Swami no ohawa odiko yini we ha ohawa odiko yini edura doctor de ma oni diagnosis ayeye ni etu health history ni nyina enu ni se ne be ya doctor na wo ho no within 2 minutes no hu health history nyina wo hu health records nyina so that o take a decision quickly onu so wi ade obeye bia no enu so beka ti for the rest of your life kopima da ye do be shefom sebe ye do shefom po na aban ho nsem bi ba na ye say yankoye record research and investigation bia that record ni na aban betimi asupina so it can even support our investigative and criminal investigation aspect because aban betimi asupina that record say ye pie hia nipa we a sabi wa film no the health record to investigate say bia malpractice bia na bibi be mo eya dia ba besisa in healthcare system. And I'm telling you, say, yeah, mama, no money, papa, no money, and we are no more bebre, no. Sad way is enough. Because I mean, if I tell you the number of people are Sebi or Mashre or Monkwan because
you're more wrong diagnosis and wrong medication because we didn't have their health record. Maybe you're allergic.
Yes, maybe mommy. Not all hypertension. I don't know. It was only way because you see BP, these are the things. That time we didn't know. This is about 13 years ago. We didn't know, say, BP no any a situation na so imagine say tita mama fear jump from one hospital to the other no. Imagine say sankana yenim the health recorder. And a doctor na or call share in the last minute who say okay maame no the health record in any now these are the treatment I dey man over the period of a year anka ebi ane me maame ye dey that is how crucial sadie we
so the e-health app
the e-health where the
platform
where the hospital ho and the to all district hospitals all regional
health
hospitals
centers.
Health centers and cheap compounds in the
but for the district and the regional
and
major hospitals
and then polyclinics. No, so I think polyclinics, yeah, about 50 of them or so. I have the numbers here. If you can just indulge me, then we can.
This is a great feat. It's a great feat in our health delivery system. A great feat, to be precise, because some call hospital Accra na. Me wo kolebu na bibi nti mabekum asen ma yare na doctor timi ehu yade a ka me mam de me call kolebuna busa am hwe kra no nim records na hu se bia edro we na bia oda so emoa no yensesa no ne ade I think
anti o say the LHIMS system no all the 6 teaching hospitals,
okay,
the 10 regional hospitals,
okay,
243 district hospitals, 3 psychiatric hospitals,
okay,
50 polyclinics,
okay,
and 10,000 health centers,
okay,
across.
So the health centers are also covered.
Yes, covered.
Okay.
Inti health centers you cover and sana cheap compounds.
Okay. Kofi,
this is why Bawumia is a visionary leader. But Yanko, yes.
I mean, other stations are beko. Yenya politics kitu ebi memra on chain. I didn't need debate ni questions.
Minya.
Why do you want to debate the former president?
Your manifesto ni. Yura or say chairman's and impetuous na mewo. Ono ne ye kendinia or share ma ye crucial sankrata we nyina gu yi so a ene eye manifesto. Na mra yeti or say chairman's committee no. Yeti different groupings, different subcommittees are omokwa abonten ni various associations ni groupings ko kasai. Omo wie no e no mo keka ni nyina bom ye no one document. E no mo be submit ma the presidential candidate. Presidential candidate no ye the first review ni compress kakra. Then it went through a thorough review. And I can tell you, sir, for 2 weeks, 12 hours a day, for almost 2 weeks, Yura Mahmoud Bawumia, and yes, sir, Obio, I was there as his political assistant, and I participated in the exercise. For 12 hours a day, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Your fat document now, Yura, say, Chimens at the line by line, sentence by sentence, comma by comma, full stop by full stop, to make sure, say, you bet me in your sad document, yeah, or no, your presidential candidate. Obenya GDA womu say, this is a document I want to give to Ghanaians. This is the promise I want to make to Ghanaians. In fact, you say, these are the 14 commitments. Ano hoba do nanya ye bo Ghana for. Eno ne de tro sankrata yi. Bankrata we na ya tro no. Ghana for bekinkan. Media so far ye de nkrata yi bai. Omanhene wo ye media ni. What say? Obi afa manifesto yi aka say. Manifesto we the policy we wo mu a enye papa. What be? Not even the opposition. Yenuanum NDC for krano. They are not able to say there is this policy in this book that we disagree with, or a bad policy. They can disagree with some of them. Sorry, but to say and yet I'm yet to hear even the opposition say that. But and so where you won susu ye we free say ope say what the year jumama or mine. But the entire debate who he and say, Eyesa Ghana for who says science to see na what dear goon kratas on. Dear Dickine. Eya dear one Kasan Wujitum. Do you actually believe in your own policies? Because a lot of political parties, you know, to say they make committees and they're coming together to help you draft this document. So Ghanaians must first and foremost have a firm understanding, say, and per document when you obi ne kotro ye ne de ba now they will title ye den etoso. But this is a document one kasa wa do so mu every sentence in the document, you know, you understand, you believe, and it is implementable. And the best way for the Ghanaian people to know that, and they say, you be put to test. Into Dr. Bawumia, also by your policy A, B, C, Y. Me purchase our policy A no asiya saying. What does it mean? How are you going to implement it? Na ye doso mu. Okay, adena Ebia one yen say other now be so yen say your bro for kasa be a friend in nuance.
Yeah.
Your kasa be a nuance. Be nuance here. Asembia a papo bi womu a ese usani. Met me abusa me say Kofi, what is credit score? I can define credit score to you.
But it's explanation. No?
But whether I truly understand Ade no,
I don't see another thing. But so, there's been media encounter where these questions are asked.
The reason why this is important is that we put you to test.
Between the
candidates.
Who wants to lead the people?
Who wants to lead? We put you to test. On your feet, you see, wujina wonasuna no. Na ye doso document to see how really implementable and then more importantly no mumie no we put you on the scale ya the mo tunsani ani yamamu equal platform
why na ni mo dro
Ghana for deserve see ebehu sa ade no to the world over obia even America cry no they just did it. Donald Trump and Kamala, they did it. Answer na Kamala cry beba no. Na Donald Trump and Biden ayeden. And no na ma America for who say there be Biden mu ayeden. Ni mu ayha.
Obetimi cry twa hwe.
If not for the debate, do you know say Biden would have been the candidate today? But debate in the ma America for who said no. So Democrats now say no Biden.
Sit aside.
Umuayha. Ahwadini ni ho. The mental fortitude, no, the mental sharpness, no, eni hobio. Titinanchen. Now you see the importance of debate. It puts the leader to test.
Now, fast forward. Cut to chase. There's not going to be any debate.
No, meba. Enti yakwa kan asasem. Ana yera John Dramani Mahama say. Ba umia no kra de on san fata. So on ni be gina the same platform. Asema yera John Dramani Mahama kan say ba umia is not even on his level to debating. Na minia obi nye on your level to debate you are. Do you ask the person a question?
Okay.
Mimiti here. Wa frame aba wa fidi kese so ena mpanyimfo nimdifo eti anopa adenti na wo frame. Se men sem fata wa fidi so. Minim die nru wa fidi yi baabi a wo hwehwa. You never invite me here.
To me invite you na me say anka say umfata.
That's the point. Because we invite me ha na wo free say minim die no wo baabi. Yes. Say me ndru ha dia ade na obebusa me question.
Me ma makra na mebusa akusa. That is the analogy you are drawing. I get you.
Now nipa wo si ni mu draw men won no so busa no question. Question so a wo busa no. Say one kasa wa pay attention and na de ekoso wo man ni mu no. We are serious say we pay attention na. Anka wo be hu say questions 5 na wo busa no. Ni nyina ya answer. Oko King kan Yura Mahmoud Baumia speech or the Maye February 7th or answer questions we nyina. The media encounter or or answer questions we nyina. Various spokespersons for him from Inuya Gideon Boakye to Miracles Abuaji to make Ofitonto as spokespersons for the man ya answer questions we nyina. It is a satisfactory Emma wa. Then what is the next avenue? What is the next forum? Say media engagement in your satisfactory. Say address to the nation in your satisfactory. See economic speeches are all you're not doing. It's not even true. The last 6 months, why yet 2 economic engagements. February 7th, the manifesto launch or a detailed economic engagement. And sana the media engagement. But then satisfactory mawa. The next platform you bet me way then will be what? A debate. What's the one pay? Anna Yera Mahmoud Baumia say, 5 questions. I mean, so me 50 questions. okubusa o say me nso me 50 questions ni a me nua obi a wa yo mampanyi da obi a yɛde Ghana nyinaa hyɛ wo nsa da obi a yɛ nyinaa yɛ japadeɛ yɛ gudeɛ yɛ nimonyam yɛ health yɛ security yɛde ne nyinaa hyɛ wo nsa da obie w'anum a panyin sɛbe osi obi a ɔyɛ ɔmampanyin abɛdi akyire ɛyɛ gyimifo. This is coming from somebody who wants to be a president of this country. Timi bie wano kakasafon say sebe e de kyerɛ wo yonko.
It's about the economy. Stupid. And no now also.
Yes.
So when you know so dia so Jimmy for.
We say it is about the economy. Stupid. But one ate bro for stupid as you say.
Stupid you treat there just say Jimmy for. Oh, you are stupid. What Jimmy?
Yes. How can you speak like that? What fraying baloney? Okachre say wo no ye dwanfunu. Okachra Ashanti for say ye di go du kura gu for ma enye mo fe. Wa fanyansa kwan so edidi Ghana fo atemo all these years. Ene die panyi ti sell baby a wadru ni. Se say die gota na nkasa no akoshem. Jesus Christ. Eye ahometi sem ya reho sem the level you John Mahama edru. Every opportunity biya John Mahama benya no. The Ghana for hwehwe ne say enfie nwotwe a metina fie no. The misusu say ye de beboa oman ni. Look, Omanhene 2016 Ghana for anto aba ma Akufo-Addo because na John Mahama sebe omo number o. Enye no nti ana no nko anti na Ghana for to aba ma Akufo-Addo. Ghana for to aba ma Akufo-Addo because one, no mo free say John Mahama adwuma nso anim. But two, and the most important thing they say, na omo free say yewura Akufo-Addo nsem kan ye no. Ene ne bo hye ne na no ho ba no na ebebo o man Ghana. Na Ghana for si ye pay free SHS ama ye ma. Say your education ubetimi aye sa aboa ye ndia ye ni so.
Okay.
Kania edundum no.
Do and wrap up for me.
Me wrap up.
Other panels to us.
Kania edundum no. So ubetimi anya anudro ama ye ya. Ene ye ni beso. That is the reason. Enti wontimi nka say challenges ayenya and admittedly me nya mentimi metina meka say sebe oman no ye nkwa ahokyere mu. Mejitum si akosi kasem mu ahokyere mu. Pagana ni bia or your objective nso be catch say the world over amanama nyina ekwa ahokyere mu. Nyame ya adoma on the 5th of November elections are because of America no. The number one issue omokoto swaba so we it is the economy.
The economy.
And the economy no the aspect of the economy omokoto swaba ye niema ane boaye den inflation. In America, for Canada, Trudeau, the American Canadian Prime Minister, the biggest headache right now is cost of living and rent and how mortgage and the life
I skyrocketing.
And the world over Ghana ni bia nim say yes ahokyeraba ye nyina ye jitu. But Ghana ni no enso ehwe say sa ahokyeraba na ye pe anu yi a wani entoma no nya se ahokyeraba nti o ba ye pe di obetimi de ahokyere no anu aduraba 8 years ni wodi bibia ba ye friend 24-hour economy ya bawo so bosume nkono ni se kiremu wuntimi kiremu ye busa wa osi pudon ye busa wa se enumre farming ye busa wa se beton awache enumre. I mean these are the hollow explanations are modia ba entasumu because 24-hour economy no the basis of it is any incentives are odema obi o. You can't say 24-hour economy. It is your ability to stimulate demand.
It's demand driven.
Demand driven. And the Ghana for free Muhone say, how are you going to stimulate demand? Because some power hey, mu programs are is on a curve. And upon amunya most listenership. Bon say echo 11 12 11 you wanna drop kakra ba 12 bon say asa pija. E wiem wo kakra na say ba from echo 6 drive time over 6 p.m. na asa pija. E free bear 9 10 ko na say ba from by bear 1 2 a.m. na ba from kra. Because that time no demand near den. E wo from. Enti say obema sompa tax creditor. And sisa demand at 2 a.m. What the security bejina sompa ni mu ha. And sisa demand at 2 a.m. There sompa ehwehwe say e dey na wo John Dramani so say one year 24 hour. Obeya ma ne listenership no at 2 a.m. no ayeden akosoro. How are you going to stimulate demand? Up to now, you have not been able to. Show Ghanaians how
you leave that for the NDC man.
Then
Ibrahim Ali will explain it better for the Ghanaians.
Who we are? Ayo atem didi. Penny to say to me be one no catch the unia. Unia ceremony. So we chimiful. How can you be that disrespectful? Minya, eya reho. Say John Mahama asinke that low. Ghana to me, and John Mahama there. And then your NDC for there. Ghanaians have a right to decide to say MPP for one twaso and amomon twaso. There is no way in our constitution Obi di besha di tirimu say Obi atwa 8 years into by hook or crook. Nowhere.
Kofi Tonto and I'm in Kano. Kofi Mami found here. Nah, I mean, say subsequent days ahead of us.
Yeah, policies near to me.
Aye, even my crying no abechim.
Policies near to me, and I would want to come here and explain our policies from the credit scoring to the taxation to the buy Ghana first to every single policy away in book.
We look up to that. The name is Kofi Tonto. Political aid to Mamadou Bawumia, the vice president. Now, Ibrahim Ali Trasi. Now, Mon Pacho, Ibrahim Musamu. I feel a t-shirt, no, Ade. I feel I said, just say, what said that? Obia with t-shirt, I was say.
Yes, now, I need custom create woman is a baby. I'm say traffic actually requiring also because of construction work na
cost
no nti na was say
usinante
ya pack car na just say ya nante na enye na kabenim say swamefo ayo madwen say NDC omodo party no.
Wow.
Me ba I was shocked because benim say Asante mind there MPP dia but me share t-shirt no ne bo no mo boje me so ma me hunu sampa the wind of change is blowing
aba
Kamia kweso obi a obehia obi a opese o ma fans fans na meji ye no
wow life munyi bi da
me hunu bi da do be na msa Asante kan no Asante me de mo ti me t-shirt o na na kura Kofi Tonto ti he aba omi abayi to say nka list obi be ma fans kura ngo say otizi kakra ba MPP for dodo na ehunu me se chale me da na party card ne pa na me ba a ma besa me party card kwika efri bi fifie eba kwika be 96 makai what you say Ghana for abre aban Ghana for ahunu say sebi bosha ahodo a Dr. Bawumia ehye Ghana man say oba obema ahoto aba oba obema nkrofo nya nwuma ye oba obema obia sebi breduasa ohunu ne ho ano no nioma akose toti amano no wa faili Dr. Bawumia eba na Dr. Bawumia Kofi Tonto also my Ghana for nyina ti asese the entire President Akufo-Addo ekofo fa Dr. Bawumia edeba and it's all because of the economy wo free so John Dramani Mahama 2016 na dollar to cedi ratio na say somewhere around 4 cedis
4.3
yes ebika 3.84 but you dey find for even 5 cedis kra 4 Ghana cedis and you expect say I mean obi also oye economic visit oye kra say me no nka say me kunu economic visit na dollar 1 cedi 4 cedi no just say $1 to 4 cedi. No, say Dr. John Dramani Mahama on your economy visit want to be managing the year. No ba Obebua Kufuado as head of the economic management team to reverse it back to 1 cedi $1. Said the President Kufuor at the buyer now. Now President Kufuor free so now 1 cedi 20 pesos. NDC at a mills 8 years. Send you they can. And I send I also what page from 4 and I'm no say 17 Ghana cedis. Hosem. And me call Chrome, I mean some of the traded equity didn't come, but some of them I come here say ultimate national no from an park of money, not the park around end 10. Now, I hosem is a 10 crampo no big become none the papa and at me betadie. And you ma boa kosoro. Me call beside shoot or catch them say she says the free 600 Ghana air copy 2,000 Ghana cedis. Tama na President Mahama ye President of Ghana. Okra 200 300 Ghana cedis the crown. What's me shoot a share. Two of them. Enti eya koya rehosem. Enti there also Kofi ton to de oba santimem high. What's enko do catch Ghana for nyina say a chopper. Also to me pack Ghana for a chow. Me de bia me ka say MPP ni bia usi kroma. See, I know I was so brave once a patch, because expectations were too. I mean, not a dose expectation a dose ye. And him said, you know, Akufo-Addo, President Akufo-Addo said you're not Ghana for it to me. Or we are contested election several times. Okay, can't send baby. We are moving Ghana's economy from taxation to production, and then taxes are hodwa. I'm a listening her. I buy new taxes in Kwabe 40 and Odiaka. Na taxes na all harder than our pejamo 3 cedi or the 1 cedi account 60 pesos or the 20 pesos account and now ma ahochre na entry he e wo kromo ha na Kofi Tonto what ha was it what should I mean what is the guarantee say bosha kasia your friend is Dr. Baumia Eshe, you know, I want to be on this, you know. What is the guarantee? Say manifesto Munsamo Betna no okay. What is the guarantee? Say Oba over here?
Okay.
One constituency, $1 million. I mean, and can be Chrome German North. Can be here constituency order $8 million. And so it was not material. One village, one dam, and all called dams in Libya. Near say Sika a poor dam yemo near Cat Dam, no Sika to do a call much or rebel ho. And only, you know, that it is possible now. And yeah, no, because a Bosha can say, met me about Boswa agenda 111 hospitals. That's what he say. 8 years in it, when I'm here back, Okrano, Emancro for Goyay. So I am very serious. To me, the Biam, communicators needing command. Make sure before. So it is time you start submitting yourself. Talk to the ordinary Ghanaian citizens, start apologizing, because obviously, you say, Abai, we know by all means we are winning this election. I know the OBN. Obibia Ghana memory say the wind of change is blowing. Eh, dear Daho. And to me, the Omatrano come on Sam now as a overconfident, no come on your man, because the beer done a dance here perfect say. I mean, John Dramani Mahama is winning this election. Before I said, Doctor, you see, the entire John Dramani Mahama Kasabi Bidebe and say this economy is on this election, sorry, it's on the economy. Because economy in Ghana for to me ajinaso no matuaba. John Dramani Mahama must say oba yebe pre want to be anya hwede ono na University of Ghana Medical Center okukusiri ho 420 bed Greater Accra Regional Hospital ono Opeja esi ho rich. Bank of Ghana Hospital John Dramani Mahama. Maritime Hospital John Dramani Mahama. Okotema port expansion wa yen ho. Abu Numama Mabrun direct job to about 50,000 people. Or Rebeho. To say, Papa no, a Sam Ghana for Antimia Manan 8 years now. And Sam dead. I mean, this current president advice, a catcher Ghana for so much, you know. Kayana Ora, who got to cut him not when they pay in 4 years. John Dramani Mahama, whole airport. Now, who for the buy airport banner, what shots here we single handedly. ABC, you know, University of Health and Allied Sciences in 4 years.
Airport.
Yes. And phase 2. Now phase 2 crash security funding about this whole thing. Acquire debate. And idea would now yanka obia dance. But I mean, we have not even concluded on this debate yet.
Okay.
But whole airport or see area from the scratch. Polytechs is a hodua or Timmy SCC ya na nyasem ketwa John Dramani Mahama. Or no and upgrade the teacher training institution into tertiary level colleges of education. Single largest contribution to the secondary school infrastructure stock throughout, the country. So enti say ohe Ashanti memu hakrampo na. I mean, look at the markets. Atonso market, Tafu market. Look at the check Kejetia market Dubai. Madam for being Libya or Nigeria. No ma Kumasi da. No be home Kumasi Central Markets. I mean Dubai Central Market. Oh Piena no. I say how na a market. A market are more and so at one take if we are bar one take. What's a metal crampo, my dear che? Markets are more air conditioning now above home. This is the legacy of former President John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
Obia or no crampo Ashanti Mankra or never to free ho. And then a stronghold, but we had development. What's in Yama Ashanti mine? Not Baumia, need Akufo-Addo, Dr. Baumia, President Akufo-Addo. Omobaye, President of the Republic of Ghana, Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. What achievement? You know, Matimia Yama Santima was a Santima etime etuaba ema omo. Kasasa now call it for debate. What do you have to debate? The former president NDC for Yaka will not stoop so low.
Why would you say he will not stoop so low debating a certain vice president? What is so low about it?
Because we have realized that the vice president and somehow okikaye in the past no be brainy wa otimi edi so we believe say enyoma obekika on the debate platform no enya dia obetimi edi so we know because the obi a waye bibi pen na otimi nya ne dedie ma kasa obetimi ato so but this vice president on several occasions, I mean, what is active? I mean, debate they say afraid. If you don't come, sebi, nyankopon for the currency. Yeah, I afraid debate. All the presidential candidates United Kika Omasem. Kofi Tontotia or say I was say a quality for debate. Say the I mean, Dr. Baumia betimia akikansem amagana fuate. But you quality for debate. I mean, all the candidates of Maka presidential materials are now. Or are you too sure? Say, I mean, your friend is saying Mahama and your targeter or no na or here or me I win election in here or still called debate. We have a lot. Some of us as national communicator for the NDC or me debate here. Oh, only better. So you see, President Mahama standard. No, yeah, I'm person make kasa because nipa Dr. Baumia nipa. Now Obia wabaye vice president paying for 8 years. Obia wabaye president of the Republic of Ghana for 8 years, for 4 years, vice president for 4 years, caretaker president. Was I abe, Obia sabi. I mean, obi person debater, and then that of Dr. Baumia, who do you achieve? Achieve nothing. Want to mean who they? You know why? Apart from drones, some can want 7 or 8 drones and a free SHS, not digitalization. Now digitalization, who laid the basis, the foundation for digitalization to strive? Now, economy to the coffee by you. And your digitalization, say what change the topic, Most of the time, I can't say economy, no one can want them. Because I'm so fairly put on.
Let me ask this. Now, the bottom line is what Ghanaians are asking is we find ourselves in the doldrums. What is it? See, our dollar is 17. Inflation was 54. It came to 21. Interest rate, the economy. What is your government? Unyatumia. Modiego akwema. Modibesisa. But mama dollar bafom. But mama inflation. No, I say a betiaba nebe jina di jina. Dear the Bema Ghana ni say NDC for power. When remember dollar conform. When remember cost of living, standard of living, apeja, cost of living remember form. What is there?
Alright, the matter was years will be sa question. May you know by beginning with the legacy of former President John Dramani Mahama. Obia why you be paying there? You say your money to me, there's no doubt. kwan a ofa so eye no dada no sa kwan krona no befa so aye John Dramani Mahama president of the Republic of Ghana na inflation office so 2016 na inflation rate 15%. A kwan ofa so ema inflation gina 15% no ohwe 2022 krona na inflation in this country was 54.1%. Meaning you are proving me wrong. 2022 inflation was 31.71%. 2020 9.89%. 2019 7.14%. Today inflation is moving around 21-22%. NDC time free so John Mahama she pa odigu akwamontino ye di ja almost 15% in their entire 8 years. Omontimi inflation less than the 15% we are talking about.
Are you sure?
Oh yes, the records are there.
2018-2019 inflation was saying.
So here 20 the records
2017-2018.
Yeah, 20. I don't have record for.
They have achieved a single digit.
Okay, well, I don't have record for 2017 because 2017, no, they just inherited us. I mean, you know.
So we have 2018.
Yes, so I have 2019, which was 7.14%.
Inflation.
Yes.
And so, but you see, when you are single digits, that almost maintaining 15, no.
But you know, do you know the reason why? You know, yeah, in this boy, you can't home. Because of the issue about IMF support.
It is inflation.
Yes, well, but
because your mama's 15%.
Yes.
It was IMF.
Well,
that time near IMF.
Near IMF. But you see, but at this time I to abai no wasn't baby found. But as we are talking, inflation is still double digit. 20-something%. Mm-hmm. That is bad. So 15% need the no. Send you a signal, say John Dramani Mahama betimi IBB. Okay, your credit score. Ghana was defaulted to a B-. Tamana President Mahama FE 2016. And now I say our economy is described as junk status. I mean, currently no kwana is
so what would John Mahama do to bring us back to?
That
is the question I'm asking.
John Dramani Mahama, I mean, when you look at our manifesto promises, we are going to do a lot of things. Mm-hmm. We are focusing more on creating a lot of job opportunities. Mm-hmm. That is why the president Ade 24-hour economy ever say the 24-hour economy no obetimi abuye nyuma ahodo bebrea ebetimi aboa ama mabunu no atimi enye adwuma aye because time no free so as president of the Republic of Ghana. Now, over youth unemployment, now it was somewhere around 8.4%. And now, I say youth unemployment, 15%. So the focus will be on the creating a lot of jobs to, ensure, say, Nkrofo betimi enya nyoma bebraya ya omotimi atua taxes ni ahodwa ye de besum apija economy no. The second thing we are also going to look at is we are going to cut down waste because over the presidency se ka almost say no ho ha enya sem ketwa. I mean president mo etimi every plane etutu fa wiem and then spend a whole lot of money. Ning na is car was enke betimi injecting the economy. Amankrofo hu aha mo. Enya Samuel Kujeto Blakwa ene ba bonten ebe ke kan sema ke kan ya ni ade ankenya ade a I mean this current president ko betimi ati. So the worst going on in the at the presidency no e ade a ye beti so to the barest minimum. Said ye be ya sika na ebe free maba no ye betimi a inject no in the economy. Abe so ye be once a John Dramani Mahama, all free Abem. Now we have only one oil field. So see Abem, they have 2 oil fields, 10 and then Sankofa. I mean, I want to Canada omode you. Eba almost say free SHS and now omode Esaporto. But we had a quantum of money free Abem moba. Now they compare issues about these free HHS. Say a lot more is going wrong. And we're also going to look at the area of corruption.
So how are you bringing the dollar down?
How
dollar no gen ambe dollar bafo.
I mean, we have already said time and over. Say the ebetimiama dollar ako form is to do everything possible to focus more on production. Because abai okay say or the factories ahodo and eba. Said ye be ya ye betimi a production ye cocoa ye betimi add value to it and all that. Said ye be ya betimi ama yanya sika, and instead of say export from other foreign countries say the dollar and export to the betimi aye bibia ewa. And that was a good news because Ghana for be energy who say wow, that's a good policy because also every district be no or the factory be hodia. That means I mean your cashew industry no you bet me a process no ha or here cocoa and other things are also your crab in a bet me if we were having that factory can just say you can tip John Dramani Mahama de wadikaka or buy or share crase or your commander sugar factory ono and we peja esi ho so ho enti factories ahodo and ye dey back room ha enyoma ye dey dollar ekra free amano ne China ne US ne UK and some other foreign countries ne nyina no ye be bobo dey am make sure say ye betimi up produce all these goods ewa ha so ye be ya ye betimi stabilize dollar
dollar okay hold your breath for me na me ne asasi jima so asasi Akwaba.
Yeah, Omanhene Major so.
Mami Chiu.
Yes.
I'm say definitely you were following when you were coming and everything. Mami Chiu so debate issues, statements, no questions. You be said be answer 5 questions and 50 questions. Mami Chiu, what's your lead?
Yeah. Omanhene ask mencha busuafo nyina mencha mampomfo montineti baby. Weekend about me about Kumasi region have weekend. I think say we be Saturday will be in town.
Yeah, Obasinko ahafu.
Until Buru Kumasi and Afino. Yemen next Marcos.
Okay, Mami from to just say your TV number. Yeah, then Yamiasi. Now do wanna share your Facebook and radio. Now the TV is back. Thank you very much. Mami Chiu.
Oh man, Adene simple. Ose Dr. Baumia Onyadie. Economy no ayebasa amamu no enkoyi. Say if you got something to say it to my face. Waba unie mini central for Ghana for nehwebi on your feet. Die enti na say Dr. Baumia onya ade. Die enti na ofu say wo say 1.2 billion enye free senior high. Na unyini na mo sponsor 42 adverts against free senior high. Now will be Ediaba na woye ne kama. Of course there are challenges, but as we go, we try to resolve those challenges. The entire answer am fa umra. Why is it that obite asuonyunu, obite ankamodoa, obite chebon malu, akwa afuom, aboatia afro sa nipa no. Sabe yamfa no nto ka mu ndu mampon no na wa free mu. Ebukwa okwa ye ni wa wodro a ye de masa nipa no wa free mu. Obiati matrase a plan adwene ho say yamfa drone mra. And the drone no entimi deliver wa wodro enfree bia mampon panya enko from planes. Ema nipa wo ka no wonya nkwa. All time want me amfa ma indeed Kamala Harris in Michigan make a reference to Ghana on the drone. It is the largest world medical delivery system. Dear today, sound farmer, a bra or young cool at Johnny at the time of my way. Abba. Or I can say, dear today, sound farmer, a bra, who free Kromuha, who free or map Kunano son. You had not completed one single hospital in Ashanti region. I omu panie. Oyanko Bayano, they want to memory no, what be asan so see 5 brand new have been so hot more ye we are enche ye be hand over. Why should we bring you back? So all these 13 questions they be pure debate na say. At the end na we free so your economy was going at 3.4%. And then in the midst of difficulty you come na none of the kind of say even post COVID recovery in 2021 the economy grew by 5.4%, better than what we came to meet in 2016. And then projection that is about 5%.
Yeah.
Better than what we came to meet 2016. Diet name famra. Enti enema na Ghana for Ebusa John Mahama no or the board muni adan o trada pa no. It is stock in trade. Oni hweka. On timini ba mi anyina head to toe say wonom eba be debate. Kebahwe ne femfenam And he knows that. He knows the acumen of Bawumia. So he does not cancel any debate. And he will end his political career, his ambition. And to me, say he will not come. And Ghana for entering because as I will be when the Kaya Bakun. That is what Mahama is trying to avoid. And we are the day he will not come. Obedina Bontin at Wayan. I say in Casimir, Oman Assembly. Are you aware? Ghana, men can say, your GDP in Jina no about $75 billion. Unim said Menoka say, Uber, sir, up here. The value $163 billion. One company, so times 2 of Ghana, a GDP in a digitization, a green economy, and the 4th industrial revolution. And you womb. Now, what 1 hour must add here now the Belgian cock and get a cocoa at the Aquachamanco for no. Why if I don't go with what was he? Walk on hand, I know, who fear and poker Jalpano. Not a cocoa. So, any pattern if you are, Ubian Cobos in Edano. Ade Akye Abia. Kabeti. It's a dinner year, Juma. But Umia is trying to make us Ghana, Yaba level. Now, can we also urging for? In Ghana for whom Omio, the adrenaline Juma. It's as simple as that. A banner Yakotua, or man at and yet 8 years go, 8 years can be your free salary wunim. Say, Nkwana Abanum Memuana Mabuna Yaba say no. And yet the Obetima better the lots of the ordinary Ghanaian in the midst of difficulties. And yes, I ought to one more as a metamos Mamedibi. A brow crowd obedi una obedi in fear 9 and fa. You had the damning verdict on your performance as a president.
Because a damning verdict.
Just no name and penia or teso upper second term one. No, we are away, no. Business quarantine and so. A being the only classmate. If you none to 2 bapim, only classmate. Because now for na a year we hear our most and from the cranes of free man, but no one aid gone what they correct. Mahama can call 1 term to any classmate. And then any break examine the same in your classmate. What is Nico Fone, a coup for the moon night meet. And went ya only be beer, Ubusa, meaning. Then na obeya masi di abafom onim no mahama kronim ebusa mahama so oba oni Ghana for na ebihia nyare how we can actually make sure say a city na stabilized onim mi wa Bawumia onyanya mampani ne kra no watimi espouse wa che de onyatumi no a obeye amasi di neti magina o man wonim say ya ba power in 2017 besi 2022 January. Not Ghana said they're free 4.2 cedis to around 6 cedis. Yeah. 6 years into our government, the cedi a free 4.2 about 6. And a bomb now a baby a bon one. At my free 6 cedis. Now it me call 22 18. What me the infien watch it? Infien at the free 4.2 ako 6. Oh, are there about there 1 cedi and I want 20 pesos. Now within 2 years, a jump call 17. It has been a sea year. And so, Catalonia, I don't so be one. Now you almost 1 year ostrich. It's like I said, the year 2022, no, a fear, it wasn't now so fire. It was the year that between May of 2022 to July of 2022. US4 increased their monetary policy rate from 1.5% to 2.5%. What that means is that they deliberately strengthened their currency. And I'm Ghana, this year, because you know, South of Africa or UK or resign. And for the first time in 18 months, now UK for Prime Minister's for resign because the dollar now pounds. No. Now Ghana economy 80% vulnerable to external shocks. That was why our inflation no 54%. And now I say
21.
What I say, and it tells you say so be the inflation 3.15. Now it make 54. na about 20 or 21. Masa, a chess economy there at any point in time the MPP can bring it back. Because not a single digit inflation. What do you call 15? At Amos was doing 9% economic growth. In fact, at a point,
went to
14.
At time was 2012, when Omanhene Yaw Mama took over, it was 14%.
Do the free 14 back train. Now we on cover fan for 3.5. In fact, our first 4 years, the economy was growing averagely at 7 because we have 6, 9, 9, 8.
6.9,
yes, 6%, 7% on the average in our first 4 years. COVID ne buy your crown, we are more negative. No, the year 2020 was 0.5. The following year, 5.5%. MPP ya protect your crown or so. What's some crowd trying to find a druma. And this is some naba. A mabu got na tampon. I can't this dear. A by economy, a bar Manchester. How come? Ubisata dear Tina, Ashanti or Caesar Swamihano or defense. If you care to know, NDC got 12,000 votes in Swami constituency. To share by 10 people are saying my fans. Now we say where we are. And for two badge, 12,000 votes in this constituency. Now 100 quid the name of over there on Yaji. Eti another idea young fan cancer baby. Now mind the better some na come. The era Mahama, Nano Martin Pebu. People are not here mobile crutches. No. On a mamma guy saw a gym for the first one. Or what can I say? Butchers grass more bar. I'm finding any cameras because took back for the man are supposed to man. Not the lady call ye. Now was far there could know so when Oba Butcherman Bow say for Jim Foco. Until Casaba Mel Jim Foa. Sabe, Ghana Foa or Monano Spill Gabra call Unia will be Hoa Sampa. Was so what Kuna, not to Pandy. A1. Her own papa me asem said dear anwa. A bad digitization. A bus Ghana. You moving away from the traditional economy no into digital economy no nya. But me are extraordinary. It's your governor on mutum or no communication minister under Yera Mills and Rollins and to one him Simon so. And ye in here say oh Mahama time no say near man when I know. No, but Shem say, will be a Jimmy for now. A cassa about economy as digitization. What's the disconnect? Digitization and the traditional economy, no, you can't link them. And yet the same. And an apples are up now. Oboni apple no. Almost the total fine say, car apple or value of apple $3.3 trillion. And Motiano the Mufu say there be an one house one. You need to elevate the discourse. And Baumia. Baumia has always been a man of issues. Only what is it has to do with the brain and not brawn. Near the attempt bring your case in an answer. Yeah, I not a duo or you see on one sense you want to have a kruma. Coming out also go for a wawa someone. Into one hour once more, I say a man quite here, no, be a same fear. And I'll got to question about Baumia. Oh, and question no, you could ask 5. And now they could have the case, you're about 50. And when the sooner I bring about Chabon. But those questions, debate, those questions will be asked by Ghanaians by voting you out or voting against you again in December 7th. And 2 January, question that ho. You see, dear Ntina, or time no, economy no, would free 14 bar 3. Brabe ya no. A dear now time no. One me anya comprehensive free education, brabe ya no. A dear now time no. We are only 4,000 rows in terms of kilometers. Now we are by 12. Brabe ya no. Or time no. A dear now yeah 3 astroturfs in the whole of this country. Now be 150. Now see and sound farmer. Brabe ya no. O time no. E dey ntina nkoda na onom awie nursing training 4 years. One for hokra wa adwumam. Now for the all say oh ba be fankofo. Brabe ya no. What has changed? E dey ntina wo time. Na school for the deaf. O Jamase ne Akuapem Mampong. Na omu feeding grant untimi fanko and for na move for school for music die brebe ya no e dey now time na northern region 3 or as northern upper west omutim makwan and sana yeah was ya na makwan because feeding grant na enko brebe ya no e dey now time we dey 1.2 billion dollars ekoye mobile money interoperability na ye two wo yanko ba ba me amode 4 million e be ye brebe ya no. So all these questions will be asked at the debate. The basa say ya pa and abon brabe ya no say also be 24-hour economy discotheque and night club brabe ya no say maranfo senior man takum DNT and night club na brabe ya no 24 hours brabe chirem wanga beti machirem. So the best way to avoid that political embarrassment is to stay off the debate and purport to attack by umiano or no or ya harmless or see debate kakana brano enti dia ba ma me na Ghana for enya say nda ho December bana yokoto no continuity. We need to protect our gains. We need to make sure say they are starting on they wa won ba no aboto ne badin now obi akoto ne pa won ba no wo abogi coat say wo aboto din enya ne saa ba umiano anu on ne new akufado awon enkoda okrom anu ye beto wonum din na make sure Ghana said ya to about 208 Ghana for be Mr. Kotuma NDC a on meskwa na mezana kakra but mills tai na mama hama sunya ka befika mills anwela kama nkoma enti no mistake we ye no sha obi a mantu ama NDC o mantu ama NDC o and just NDC for awene you come and tell us because but after no child they would be so in the western north Sabe western region now ordinary crata call education for bibia or mu 3 days son or free bia ho the be so akotakra de and then him for no more western north maybe no for ho na say say no on travel 3 days and fan call takra de biom on an region you understand so you come and tell us then tell my period for 50 years now am wanya nobody fear na be man no say say anybody on pound for what?
On pound for what? Remember on champion. Altar of Grace Roofing, mini bay pot for I will fear hand you didn't come also. Altar of Grace Roofing, zinc roofing, aluminium circular. Yeah, well roofing this all kinds of nails. Chinese doors are always you out dine pap heavy. Open say we roofing, oba dine so. O plan will dine or send you be see a boss. Nina, yeah, want to say, yeah, IBR long span. And a roofing nails na opese be show roofing no so niam estimator ye be ye e dan na waboso nanso aye basa opese ye paso yes aboma obio any other roofing services so ko ban ye ne Frimvi complex and dey hwe move for 0598 255 187 0598 255 187 and 0202 445 928 obika ayira hwan Mr. Robert Yaya Osene car no ash color 2022 Toyota Camry. Ode ma obi ewo Coco Clinic weja. And the panel so be talk on the 10th of October. And then the Samsung Z Flip 3 phone. Afi who car ne baby. Ti esrewa. When ye cha a 2022 Toyota Camry ash color. And I beto hono me pa chow. Friend number we see as aka is way. 0242 518 280 0242 and now on my we the car be show fie se fasi wo ma no wakobia 0242 518 280 offset I am Medpoint Pharmacy Limited and normally offset drugs aba unimade ma bebre no mu nkosia ntoye kosia no bosia sinsuo gina ho kosia no yese amfom ye enti doctor say wanya ovarian cyst mesro we health supplementer emema oba nkosia no atoye kama na hormonal imbalance say ma untimi entimi enya nyina afiri ho o atinka so beko na koba se o be ma so mu kura wonti no onum of sister ebe boaw na ewo aloe vera cinnamon mayo institute amino acids and vitamins minerals ahodo ahye mu say techo fertility in women I'm recommending a year of cyst. And on that channel, menstrual cramps are about boobs and if you just do no, then be free ho. And until me come for amount, say any pharmacy shop, pharmaceutical wholesale beer, retail pharmacy, license chemical shop, no mobile friend number is here 0596 607 858 0596 607 5858 and 0500 210 133. Deeper Natural Health yem say all sano and adokrowa unhuna mane ye wo second floor while last hour de champs ka ho bray na ye mo modern ase e beboa ma bibia ye adedin frey was 0245 1184 34 0245 1184 34 Jabi Rural Bank yenye mfie aduanan savings account current dachi enti enkwalano de no shares ahodo apese woto interest rate ne da form microfinance money transfers ahodo fixed deposit wo de free 0271 409 340 0271 409 340 Ashanti Jabi near head office just obonyu aboa so Jabi Pankrono on Roman Hill sepeti proof me sade shman magazine road ubehu ye dey ewo ehonomo even pro service the wo ko ye ko Guangzhou 7-day visit na wo kwa $2,499 dollars na wotua return ticket China visa airport ya do beko afi hotel ni wache ya sa twa breakfast 8 November o shane so fresh 0244 924573 0244 924573 na bibia akoso kama at the amount 21st clinic we are the sciatica expert pains na wo to ase efa otumu ana akosi wo nanti na etu obo tutu na fe duma bia wo nan ayetititi no bomodena Nefo ni che 21st clinic free 0540 311311 ujuchire wo sia ye Ashford toothbrush any Afri-Fresh herbal toothpaste you see a kaka nyina ma bibia dedi sa toothbrush enkwada mpani wo bia wone de na wanya Afri-Fresh herbal medicine e boss ho ban Posago Lane Linda wo ho Kofibo Venture 053 5452 263 053 5452 263 Kengen and Magic drinking water sa wo pensupanom ensu a emu da ho eye alkaline o ma kire entwemu a kire say alkaline body bia no yade ntimi ntrem enti wonnom Kengen ne ko nipadua ni mu a eno a he obi on diabetes pressure no ne ade enya na ekosa yade o ba oba ade nu buna ne nema e won nsuo mu no nti no onum nsuo na no start repair with tissues ne bibia e bedum rebi no obonsa afi with diabetes no level I was say call sugar level any pressure ni nyina above from kra me kamfo nsuo amawa e Kengen and magic drinking water ye wo Brema UGC Tafuni Road Abawa Road to Junction for 0241 449191 na yenko yenim time herba a mixture for malaria and general bodily pains after time HH mixture and capsules so for your general well-being and your immune system unya HH na mixture say capsules for 0244 417 669 piling and stomach guard piling no kokona wo ha na ba na sakwa e be free ho unya stomach guard so also no hyperacidity heartburns ne yama wuye nyina be free ho make can form our na minim de make but body no so obenya piling capsules ne ointment to unum capsules now the ointments na for sukoko no away 0597 216047 Ali mamemra won chen remember no me mo bia 3 minutes now for me ni be portfolio mamenchi
but 3 minutes no maybe bed disputed some falsehood as I said radio sir.
No problem, go ahead.
Yes, I think say President Mahama President of the Republic of Ghana once hospital be our Ashanti region which is false.
Or say one hospital or start ya we when to complete back. That is the statement he made.
Almost one try hospital mo shashi mo we. I mean your back hospitals are hodwa. Between former President John Dramani Mahama,
he's talking about Ashanti.
He's talking about Afari. We completed Afari. John Mahama completed Afari Military Hospital before leaving office. But I admit it was started by former President.
No. Afari Hospital. Ali Misro. You was Ashanti Mantem.
Yes.
Afari Hospital, NDC a free so na a 45%. Now, Omanhene your mama na share from scratch. Omanhene Kufuor, it is said to occupy sika. But your mama na share Afari Hospital I see. But it drew 45% complete when we
good. Your man is saying 4 years. And the idea anka Ghana for money 8 years when we are now.
You can have that debate.
So on to me and dwell on that to discredit former President John Dramani Mahama. Yaba hospital Ahodwa, apart from the Ashanti region, Mabuba Bisu Bebri. On to the you can compare hospitals. I'm more hospitals. The University of Ghana Medical Center, one is see, and the 420 bed Greater Accra Regional Hospital, rich one is 82. Bank of Ghana Hospital, Maritime Hospital, Tema. A lot of hospitals. So what I'm saying is that the Adruno, I was say MPP for Jai and Trona Omutubum from Amono. And some baby Kaya Miha Rodo Radasem. Yeah, 24-hour economy. 24-hour economy. So yes, much. I mean, and it's all about I mean, this is a serious issue. What's you're taking it serious. But because they lack vision, because they lack foresight, because Omunim said yes, you're the bar, not as a undermining with comedies. So what I'm trying to say, Nyane say, President John Dramani Mahama, yeah, in him say, or you'll be a why be paying. And so it's not about the MPP for better now radios on the TV. So and to from him. Yanim say, or you'll be a visionary manner. Or not what Timmy saw Ghana economy mo and manage now. I mean, after 4 years before every end to me at the dance yesterday. And now here was sitting in moi. She was sitting and ne tam and then it's a siam no say. Now here time and President Mahama a free so as President of the Republic of Ghana. Now compare the two. What's your economic growth there? I mean, does that reflect in our pockets?
Not about you.
You see, I mean, you are talking about the exchange rates. One of the major reasons here, about Emma Akufo-Addo was because of the promise of dealing with the exchange rate, arresting, the dollar and giving the keys to the IGP. And I'm no say. I mean, also COVID. COVID de ma in Ghana and yasem kutuo. Because of COVID, IMF was the buy World Bank. Millions of billions of cities. As the was in Quebec media ye. Tiana be boafu. See a economy once a month. No mako pejana COVID. As I said, man, one of them show that's what Eka COVID do.
Okay.
So we expose them.
Mami kwa sasi jima so na mintie na fe.
This is not
Enipa ya expose no era Mahama. On the kwama no nia. Na ko share almost say COVID na ha Africa pa. Oba Ghana there also abai bi na asa. On na expose no. Say hospital na waka wansam no. Ye krom ha. We there ye beto ya wie no a. Se kumawu ne konongo ne tepanom ne ade be kwa ne ade. Fomena no. Ya sa hye bias from the scratch ya wie. Na so nkwanta ya se wie ya hand over. Drobon so ya hand over. Swame ha ya hand over. Twede na fe sabronum unimago and check. Na mede oh that be nya sa o nya is not true ne kan.
You know.
Say ya wie drobon so. Say wie sabronum hand over.
It is not factual. It is not factual.
Again, Mami Central.
It is not open. So I don't think.
Mami Central. Ghana, baby, I hospital from the scratch. Mambot Namfumanusi. A contomra de from the scratch. Bogoso from the scratch. Elubu, Umpoho, Inswayim, Wasadun Kwao. Somenya, Tolon, Sola, Bupe, Bamboy. Makaso amene channels abone ma menyin film mem nkwatia adukrom atias. In fact, I can mention there are about 37
my buy CIB
indeed now there could be a 38 million euro urology and nephrology center Kolebu and so want a complete hospital in different place and hospital on its own. After so they are kind UGMC phase 2 no mona mo ye
okay
enti senior amamo ne e basa pomodin e ba ngomasua e ba kwan e ba general infrastructure e ba digitization e ba social intervention oh masa MPP de asam na abawo anka ni sum ane kani ndis no e sum
asam be na aba
asam e baaye no ene se ya for man na ye de o man dum pempen so bi
the covid man
de Mahama se Africa na
man ti mi amfanya hwe
de Mahama se Africa na me ba be chemu
na mo koda mo say Ghana sika
the Mahama say Ghana for yes oh am about discuss
man no grass on Ghana for buafu eti so cause you see hot I mean hot is na masia come she do 3 what are you talking about I dey krom ha we are in this country see we have a team
okay all right Mami pharmacy ha na me ma be porter akwaba me dey about to say bibi aboko aye ka investment was politicians obawi obajuwa all right yenka investment na mami nti wa no pay
you okay my mechia wahwefo ni wetiefo nyina na madawase se wasama ya kwenya na anope ya samba we fidie kese iso na ye ba bebo Bayport savings and loans fixed deposit no ehu deru wana ya utaka wasem na ubona na amache nyomu se sika ne bema tembia meti sa nyom ni bia na makai wo man sa
bo bidai
sa
obra ye boya sika ne bemo she uni scout titi so dwanti
sa ti ade na ye politicians ne beka o masem na obi atia na de aka ne me ne wo obra ye bo ene adwuma ye na sebe sika kakra ye nya no hefa ne ye de be ebi eto na sika no ankasa so aye adwuma ama yenya ho mfaso de aka adwuma ya ankasa ye de ya ho odin eye no enti no se utie anope ya na eno ane se wo ye adwuma na wo bobrei baby wo ha opese wo ti sika na wo de bito na company ne de sika na ye adwuma na onya ho mfaso eno ne friend fixed deposit na ye wo mu ahodo be miensa obetimi de sika na to ho 91 days bosomi miensa 182 days be bosomi nsia ena afi bosomi dumienu na eno no ena yen Bayport savings and loans eno na edimu akotene ye oman mu 21 years nie ya provide financial solutions to the entire country ene emu enipa entino ansa na metro aso no man me the number betu dwansa said ye be ya obi wo honum na openchiremu bi apart from ne ye kan ya no wafre ubetima afre Edna ewo 0244 363 977 ubetima afre Docas ewo 055 811 9281 ubetima afre Kofinsu 0244 807 238 na meka no oman obi wo ha obebusa se no oman ya yewomi sebe ye wonkrofo bebre anka omode omusika ye investment ai ho aba asem na die ntina enemu ma betena fidie kese isu amose ye nsanfa ye sika meto baby enu ya amanfo dadwene bebre because oman mu enframa bi abo affect nipa bebre ma se nipa bi wo ha o ka investment ho asem kra na ose abrantie pe baby gina na emom enwuma no sebe papa bi wo ho ena de omode sika no so ye no eye ade a ema hu se ha de me sika koto ho no ma me nsabeka sika no me de koto ho ne interest no tie no ni Bayport savings and loans
okay
ubeye investment yi wo ha de sika no ye ne se yen so ye ntam wo sika no ne afa etse ye de kwakọ invest wo baby no wanya ho mfaso da bi adwuma ye de ye no financial space ni mu ya identify a section of the market yen de sika no ekohye ho eno ne Ghana ha aban adwuma yefo omoje aketua honum ena ye de sika no invest in ena sa adwuma ni ya from Bayer 2020 Bayer 200 Bayer 21 years ni ya sa adwuma yi wo man yi mu obia enim se ope financial institution obo aban adwumayefo besia Bayport Savings and Loans.
Okay.
Yen hold the largest market share in terms of the volume of loans are the ama workers. And no ya ye adwuma we are be 21 years near and still counting. Nti ube invest ya ho ne yen ye de sika no ekobo aban adwumayefo besia. Ghana ha aban bia ni ho a oba betena so obetimi aka se bosome asome ntua aban adwumayefo ka. Na emom se aban di obi ka obetimi negotiate se ebia se mintimi nya sika na ma na ebia se mde ma but se obetua aban adwumayefo aketua no aka se bosome we de minya sika ntua omoka de ebeye den eno de ensida nti e honom na yen obeye investment na ya we dare wo mu a ye de sika no kohye a bosome bia nyame adom na ya control atete sa deductions ye de amaye nti eno ne adwuma a ye de sa sika ne ye a kire se oba na odi sika no beto Bayport Savings and Loans na invest no bosome miensa ne so ya pe na wo principal ye sika odi beto ho no sika botin na nkasa any interest na aba beto account
okay.
Na wenya alert
no
usika no neta ho
na osene no
ye invest ya so ne asene wo investment certificate
dia dance se obi bi o
se usika sei ene wo ha
na unsi hunie usika botini bosome a woni ye call ye se bia bosome miensa na bosome nsia ya twra atoso eda ebe mature so ya twra atoso obia tam certificate ya wonim se me papa yi me nua yi me yire ne sika wo Bayport Savings and Loans agreement o mo ne ye nie eno nti no tembia sika no be mature obia na sika na aba beto account mo nti we ni yaye for 21 years nie a nipa wo man mu omde omusika abeto ye ho obi edi adanse se onfa ni sika meto Bayport a emre no so ye a okwakoje ni sika na ho aba asem obi bebusa se Bayport Savings and Loans no so opese ye investment na kwan be so na obefa numbers ya me de to dwai obetimi afre ye service centers nso wo Ghana ha ba bia obekuma se ha ye wa makum traffic light na se okotamale a ye radio justice eni omo the same building oko one so central mosque no Bayport Savings and Loans ye ho oko brekuma lorry park no ho ye ho na Ghana ha ba bia enti no se wo pe Bayport Savings and Loans na oni o my investment na 8 year and one say be create investment account na ma oni how na yen so no enam say yen pese okuta sika na wo de nante na risk bi aba ho nti no ye cashless system ye wo yen Bayport Savings and Loans account a ye bi no some selected commercial banks e wo man yi mu a obetimi di sika na kwa akoto ho na wo produce ye pay in slip na ma ye hwa pe ne invest amount ne create investment no ne send certificate na ma no hu say usika yi e da Bayport bosome se ne no wakono interest ne ba ho apena abeto wa account mu obi nso bebusa se na bia ma ye ne 3 months be bosome mienu mu 3 months ne nru ye ahokyere bi aba den na me yansa na me sabeka misika no kwan da ho there is flexibility a free BB early termination in terms of challenge like that obetimi afre ye o me investment in anka 6 months but 5th month no there is a challenge me pese me terminate na me sika ni bi na me yeden me san rolling over e kwan da ho ye nkase ebia 6 months ne nso ye ntino unya interest ni bi ye be calculate the number of days a usika na di we ho na ya prepare ho interest asan the account ho ama unsa account usika enti we na ye e wo Bayport Savings and Loans enti enwuma ku a ompese omo invest e bi mu ho a omo wo nwuma mu omo wo group a omo contributions bi opese o de to baabi na sika no wo mo kwan na ni Bayport Savings and Loans fa beto ho no wanya interest e wo ho enti o man obetimi asan free number so no ebiom 0244 363 977 with my friend 055 811 92 81 with my son friend 0244 807 238 okay I didn't say you better ask me now you better say yeah now just okay let's do the birthdays quickly a special birthday this morning Tony Sackner Soya Sene to Mabel Mabel ye seamstress kesiye designer kesiye ene eyo wa woda ye mautrin kwa Dr. Kwesi Safo Kantanka of South Africa from your in-law Linda Pia and grandchildren of Aguna ye mautrin kwa Ama of Ashanti Aguna Regina Bragosi or Aguna DVL or mautrin kwa free of Central Baptist International School from your parents Pauli of UK and Mami Fwa Petra Jewa Kodye of Upstate Community. From your mom, Mary Jewa, Medical Laboratory Technician, Mampo Municipal Hospital. Franklina Opokwa Free of God's Power International School. From Simon Opokwa Free of Otek FM. Vido Usu Ansa Owe Buakwa Oba Emmanuel Seusu of MTN Bantama says, happy birthday to you, mommy. Emmanuel Dakon Ofori, we are Assistant Lands Officer, PULMD, Ashanti region. Anyway, Emmanuel Dakon Ofori, happy birthday to you. I was here for Medimu Esiha. Na me catch more aye, more libertarians, no say, Nyamiadom, hair scarf, no, Duko no Ibiaba. Enti wa ope bia toka ho bra pa na dom de ba eni so anya sa Sunday na che say copies of the ba eni so it stores the 60 Ghana it kan ho bra na be told de na afei there was a radio bia me jump